Alright, y'all. So, this is a video about why you need to save your damn money. I had a damn near $11,000 repair bill that I had to pay, and it'll just hit you out the blue. So, um, so what happened? I'm driving. I'm leaving out of Cali, on my way to Georgia, and my truck started acting up. So it went to 55 miles per hour. So I'm thinking it had something to do with the DEF. So I pulled over, let it regen, and after it regen, I started driving again. So after I started driving, it went down to 5 miles per hour. So I limped to a truck stop, and I pretty much wasted my time there because at the truck stop, I paid them to do the diagnostic, and they couldn't fix it or whatever. They told me I had to take it to the dealership. So okay, I wasted $200 there. So I had to call a tow man, and that was $1,100 to tow from where I was at to Phoenix, to the Phoenix dealership. So I went to the Phoenix dealership, and it took a while for them to fix it, waiting on parts and stuff like that. So in total, yeah, it was like 10,000 something. It was almost 11,000. But here's the problem. So, all right. So, something about an engine harness. Yeah, engine harness. They put in a new injector, and I'm finna get into that. Remember that injector. Mountain bolts for coolant manifold. Yeah, I'm trying to see where it say the DEF. Okay, here we go. So some DEF issues going on, so I figured it was the DEF was the problem. Man, it was just so much stuff that was going on. And then these damn sensors and going on. So when I left, I paid $5,000. I went home back to Texas, and once it was ready, I flew back out. Then bam. Yeah, then bam. That was my remaining. So yeah, about $10,176. So this ain't the messed up part. So I left there on my way to Cali, and I'm starting to hear a weird whistling noise. So I'm hearing a whistling noise, and I stopped in Cali. The next morning, I cranked my truck. It didn't want to crank. Dealership called me. I called the dealership. He told me how to get it cranked so I could save me some money from the tow bill. I towed it to the nearest dealership, and yeah, lo and behold, the goddamn fuel injector messed up. So thank God I was covered under that's the wrong paperwork. Yeah, thank God I was covered under warranty. Yeah, thank God I was covered under warranty. This the stuff that they did to find out what it was. But yeah, man, save y'all money. I know it's good having the money in your pocket and all that stuff, making all that money, but you gotta save it, because you never know when something like this gonna happen. Like $10,000 just out of nowhere, that I had to pay. And let me remind you, What else gonna hit you is them hotel, them hotel fees, them rooms you gotta get. So sometimes it just makes sense to go on and fly or Greyhound back to home and then come back once it's ready. So yeah, it just depends. So yeah, remember, I always save money. Save, save, save. It's a business. You gotta treat it like a business.